We are 7 years since we launched the very first next-gen MHE. We launched that 7 years ago with industry first features such as stick steer, cruise control, sealed and pressurized cab, unequaled performance when it comes to lifting, multifunction, and doing everything that a Mini does. So we're still here and we're still talking to you guys because we put in technology in these machines. We told you 7 years ago, these are smart machines. We got more ability to keep expanding upon the platform that these machines operate on. After we launched Next Gen, we talked to you about ease of use on the 6 to 10 ton machines. Well, the machine behind me is now the Next Gen 305 with ease of use. So we're bringing ease of use for Indicate and E-Fence to the 5 ton platform in both cab and canopy. We don't have canopy machines on those larger machines. So this canopy machine is also fitted with a touchscreen monitor that you need to operate ease of use. Now, as well as adding ease of use, we're adding a laser catcher, the relationship to the tripod to the machine. We're adding the laser catcher option for the 5 to 10 ton machines. When you start moving around, you have to reach your last good bit of trench. So we got some skeptics out there. Hey, how can ease of use possibly work? There's no laser, there's no GPS. We've done very well with ease of use since we introduced it, but now we're going to the next step. We're not going to full cat grade or any of those other grade control manufacturers out there. We're just taking one little step by introducing a laser. So now we can move around that job site and that beam never changes. So our reference point is now static. That gives customers a little bit more satisfaction, security, comfort, knowing that they can't go wrong. So that's where we're going, and we're able to do that because of the platform technology of these machines. I'm also going to stand here and talk about some of the other machines that we'll walk over and look at the moment, but right behind me through there is the Next Gen 303.5. That's been on the market for about 3 years. We introduced that machine. We thought we did well. The machine has done well, but we're Caterpillar. We always feel we can push the envelope and do something more. I've talked about the base technology on the Next Gen range of machines. Sometimes I feel like a Formula One racing driver. I can sit in these Next Gen machines by technicians on laptops, makes the thing go faster, slower, burn a lot of fuel, burn less fuel. What we're looking is get the optimal performance of power and efficiency for the customer. Always felt the 3.5 ton machine was okay, but we could do better. In January this year, when it was really cold in North Carolina, we put the 3.5 ton machine through its paces, the current production machine that we'd had for 3 years with our engineers, and our engineers reimagined with making no hardware changes, all with software changes. They've reimagined the 3.5 ton machine to have 25% faster transient speed. When I say faster transient speed, I'm not talking about top speed. I'm talking about how we get from 0 to 60. Yes, I'm a marketing guy. We don't go 60 miles an hour. We go 3.5 miles an hour, downwind on a hill if we're lucky. But when you're moving quicker and you're more agile and you're moving this, when you're moving, you're not producing. So if you get to when you want to use the linkage and move dirt, it increased our productivity by 35% against our previous model that we thought we were okay with. So we're now promoting what we can do with the Next Gen technology on these machines. Because with all the Next Gen machines from 1.5 to 10 ton, we have what we call a smart pump, a pump with a brain. Let's keep it simple. Everybody runs a variable margin load system piston pump today, but our pump has a brain. This machine, 3.5 ton machine, all the machines know ambient temperature, machine temperatures, AC load, hydraulic load. It even knows what altitude it is sitting at. And give you a little bit of sort of engineering talk, all engines have a lug curve, okay? As you go altitude or as you lug the engine down, you start to lose power. Our pump is smart. Wherever the lug curve goes, our pump stays with it. It gives us full-time efficiency and then power when you need it. One of the unique things about the next gen range of mini hydraulic excavators. So like, technology on board allows us to have the stick steer, the cruise control, ease of use, and then it allows us to tweak the software in the machine just like a Formula One car to give exceptional power, performance, and efficiency to the customer. And that's what we're doing with the 3.5 ton machine.